Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mother 3 on Switch. Since Mother 3 was never officially released outside of Japan, and not on the Switch, you'll need to use some alternative methods. This process typically involves either using a modified Nintendo Switch console or setting up an emulator on another device. We'll walk through the general steps to get this beloved Game Boy Advance title running, so you can experience its unique story and characters. It's a bit of a journey, but well worth it for fans. There are two primary paths to playing Mother 3. The first involves modifying your Nintendo Switch with custom firmware, often called homebrew. This enables the installation of emulators directly onto your console, letting it play Game Boy Advance games. The second option is to use a Game Boy Advance emulator on a different platform, such as a PC, Mac, or even a powerful Android phone. Both methods require a few technical steps, but they open up a world of classic gaming. Once you've decided on your method, the next step is to acquire the Mother 3 game file, commonly known as a ROM. It's important to note that legally, you should own the original Game Boy Advance cartridge to download a ROM. Since the game was only released in Japanese, you'll want to find a fan-translated English version. A quick online search for Mother 3 English fan translation will usually lead you to the necessary patched ROM file, ready for your emulator or homebrew setup. With your Mother 3 ROM in hand, the final steps involve transferring it to your chosen device. If using a Switch with custom firmware, copy the ROM to your console's SD card in the appropriate folder for your emulator. For PC or mobile emulators, simply load the ROM through the emulator application. Adjust settings like screen filters and controls for the best experience. Then, you're all set to dive into the unique and emotional world of Mother 3. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.